In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the latest version of your Microsoft OneNote file to PDF in easy steps. Exporting your notes to PDF is a great way to share your work, preserve formatting, and ensure your content can be viewed across different devices without requiring OneNote. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a clean, professional PDF from any OneNote notebook quickly and efficiently. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer and navigate to the notebook or section you want to export. Make sure all your recent changes are saved so the exported PDF reflects the most up-to-date version of your notes. Give the app a moment to fully load to ensure everything appears correctly before exporting. Next, go to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. In the File menu, click on Export. OneNote will present several options for export formats. Select PDF as your desired format. You may also see options for exporting the current page, a section, or the entire notebook. Choose the option that matches your needs. Exporting the entire notebook is useful for complete backups, while exporting a single page or section is faster if you only need specific content. After selecting your export scope, click on Export again. OneNote will prompt you to choose a location on your computer to save the PDF file. Navigate to the folder where you want to store the file, enter a clear and descriptive file name, and click Save. This ensures your PDF is easy to locate and identify later. And that's it. You've successfully exported your latest version of a OneNote file to PDF. This simple process allows you to share your notes with colleagues, classmates, or clients while keeping your formatting intact. Whether you're preparing meeting notes, project summaries, or personal journals, exporting to PDF is a reliable way to keep your content accessible and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.